Welcome everyone. So today in this video we will see how can we use function as an input parameter in Scala. So first let's create a function. So this is simple function which take double and int as input parameter and return the sum of the parameters. So we are going to use this sum function as input to some other method. Let's create another method. So in this with num method, uh, we are using sum as input parameter, and this sum is a function, and that function accept input int type as an input and returns the type parameter a because it is not defined. So we have created one function that is sum, and that function accept double and int as input parameter and return the sum of those parameters. Then we have created one method which accept function as a input parameter and turn the result. So in this method with num, what we are doing, we are using function as input parameter, and that function accept two parameters. One is double and another is int. So in this method with num, we already are giving int type parameter as input. So when we will use that function, then at the time we have to give double type data as input to that function. Let's see. It is confusing, but uh, as we practice, then it will be very easy to understand. So here you can see in with num method I have given some function as input parameter, and because with this method with num we already assign integer value inside the method, so we just need to give double input parameter when we are calling this method. So here you can see the result is 32.2 because first we are giving a 22.2 as input, and inside this with num method we are giving 10. So it is doing some inside this with num method. So this is how we can use function as input parameter in Scala. So at first point, it will take some time to understand what is going inside the method. But as you like, but when you practice more and more, then you will get understand how these things are working behind the scene.